China's new Type 096 strategic ballistic missile submarine incorporates the most modern propulsion, stealth, and missile launching technology that exceeds those of the Russian and American fleets, and has anti-ship attack capabilities. Doctor Who stated the Type 096, paired with the JL-3, the third-generation intercontinental submarine-launched ballistic missile, will be China's best and most powerful underwater weapon, which can compete shoulder to shoulder with U.S. nuclear submarines. He added, if launched from the submarines in the West Pacific, the JL-3 can put all the cities on the west coast of the U.S. within their attack range. JL-3 or Zhulang 3, known also as Giant Wave 3, has been upgraded from the DF-41 or Dongfeng 41, also known as Eastwind 41, a land-based and road-mobile solid-fueled intercontinental ballistic missile. JL-3 can be armed with a single or multiple nuclear warheads and has a maximum flight range of 12,000 kilometers, about 7,500 miles. It will be the key leg of China's nuclear triad. Type 096 is the most advanced strategic nuclear submarine we currently know. The Type 096 nuclear submarine is about 150 meters long and about 20 meters wide, with its maximum diving depth reaching 600 meters, which is 200 meters deeper than the 094 nuclear submarine. Its hull shell is made of high-strength composite alloy steel, with a new type of anechoic coating of silencer tiles affixed to it, which means that the sound and noise can be reduced and deadened to its maximum. Therefore, the hull lowers the noise profile to less than 100 decibels when the Type 096 sails underwater, almost silent beneath the surface.